Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Nothing like cinnamon spiced oatmeal from Quaker. I'm so excited to eat this right now. Doesn't that just look amazing? I wish y'all could smell this right now because this smells like heaven. And it tastes like heaven too. Today we're bringing out the pumpkin shirt. This was actually sent to me from Jimmy John's, so shout out Jimmy John's for making my fall dreams come true, because this might be my favorite sweatshirt. And you're probably gonna get sick of me wearing this because it'll be in a lot of videos. Just warning you. Let's chat, let's catch up. I got sent this makeup product that I wanted to try out. It's from Patrick Ta, and it's their Luminous foundation. It kind of reminds me of the Maybelline one from the drugstore, but like more bougie. So we're gonna try this out and get first reactions. But first, I'm going to put sunscreen on my face because gotta protect the skin at all costs, guys. I'm about to go to CPR training at the rec center. I work at the rec center at Boise State University. I'm a bar fitness instructor, and it's very important that we know how to do CPR training. So that's on the agenda today. It says it's scheduled from 1 to 6 p.m., but there's like no way that it's actually gonna be from 1 to 6 p.m., right? I did the, ew, what? I got it in my hair. I already got my online certification, so now I just have to do the in-person portion. And the online one took like 3 hours, so that was bringing me back to driver's ed days whenever I did ACEable. Comment down below if you guys also did ACEable. I'm pretty sure my sister didn't have that as an option when she was learning to drive, so she had to go to this driving school and her teacher was really, really weird. I just remember that. Okay, wait, how do I open this? Oh. Oh, you just pull. Okay, cool. Beauty blender. We're gonna put it on the hand. Okay. Color looks good. This looks pretty close to my skin tone. Last video on my channel was my first day of school. I had so much fun. Honestly, no complaints. After one of my classes, I went to my friend's apartment, tanned there. I also taught 4 bar classes, which was really, really fun. Okay, wait, I really like this foundation. I was really excited to film today's video though and pick up the camera because I realized, you know what? This whole week, it's 60 degrees outside. I feel like usually we're still at least in the 80s right now, but for some reason, it's 60 degrees today. The last 3 days when I've been taking matcha on my morning walks, I have just smelled fall. I can't put my finger on it and describe it other than the fact that it smells and looks like fall is about to happen. And if you know me, that is my favorite season ever. I live for fall. I wrote a whole song about walking the streets in fall. Speaking of songs, I have a new song coming out September 1st. For more details and to stay up to date, you can follow my Instagram, follow my public Spotify, and subscribe because that's how you'll be able to hear it. It's called Memory in a Bottle. I recorded this song with 2 of my really good friends, and I'm an independent artist, which means that I don't record with big record labels. The cover for the song, I graphic designed it myself. Yeah, all the lyrics written by me. So it's a very personal song, and I just hope that you love it as much as I had fun creating it. Once I get home from my CPR training course, we're gonna decorate for fall. I asked my boyfriend, I was like, okay, when is it reasonable to decorate for fall? He said September 1st, and I already had the answer in my head when I asked him that, so I nodded and smiled, but I will be decorating today, and it is August 25th. So a couple days earlier than September 1st, but I think it's fine because you know what? Starbucks already came out with their fall menu. If that isn't my sign, then I don't know what is. If I could choose one makeup product to use for the rest of my life, it would be bronzer. Something about warming up the face. And this brush has also been my current obsession. Obviously, I have my favorite Sephora big brush collection, but this one is from Bare Minerals, and I love it in particular for contouring and bronzing because it has this like angle tip to it, and so I feel like I can really get the cheekbones and all the spots that I want to hit. Y'all, that is so good. Wow. Quaker, I might be your biggest fan. You want to know something so crazy? I am closer to graduating from college than I was from when I graduated high school. What? It feels like forever ago, but also at the same time, like it happened yesterday. Time is such a strange thing. Also, to blow your mind even more, this time last year, if you've been subscribing for a while, I was embarking on semester at sea. Like, I'm not even kidding. I think it was September 8th or September 9th of 2023. I was in Belgium, flew out there by myself, and I got on a ship and studied abroad for 4 months. Kind of crazy. Time really flies. I missed that series and that part of my life so much. It taught me more things about myself and about the world than I could ever fit into a YouTube video or a book. I'm very grateful to be here in Boise. I love my life right now. I love my friendships. I've been so blessed with great classes with professors that have gotten me really excited about my junior year. I just think this is where I'm supposed to be. More in particular, today I am supposed to be decorating for fall. So we will decorate together. The year that I moved into this house, which was 2022, I bought a lot of things for fall time and then also for Christmas, and I was only able to use it for that 1 year, which was my freshman year, because like I mentioned, I studied abroad sophomore year, fall semester, so I never decorated my house for fall, never decorated my house for Christmas. And it has been a minute since I've seen what the heck I ended up getting in 2022. I could not tell you what decorations I bought. So when we go through it after my CPR training, it's going to be much as a surprise to you as it is to me. Face makeup is done. I still need to do my lip combo, but I'm finishing up my oatmeal before I head out, and I'm not putting on lip stuff until this is done. But I wanted to show you guys this sign that I hung up. I think it's adorable. I got it from Brandy Melville. It just says, Idaho. Are you proud of me? I actually hung this up by myself and didn't break a bone. I stood on this little stool, this rinky-dinky stool from Wayfair. I think I'm Bob the Builder now. That's what I'm trying to say. I want to choose a perfume scent today. This video is not sponsored, but I got a PR package from this brand called Finery, and I'm choosing, hello, hi, whoa, what are we doing? Okay, yeah, let's walk right on that. So we've got 3 perfume options. The first one smells like Mediterranean fig, ocean air, salted sage. This is the Mystic Figure scent. Next one smells like golden saffron, amber, resin, and sandalwood. And the last one smells like wild cherry, Turkish rose, and almond amaretto. All right, this is the one that I landed on. Mystic Figures. I'm trying to smell like Mediterranean right now. I think it's because I'm reminiscing on my semester at sea travels to Greece, but besides the point. So interesting. So this is the perfume itself. They said not only the perfume, but the body mist of it as well. Packaging is adorable. It smells so good. Ooh, I like that. It smells very, very clean. I feel like it's strong enough that I don't even need to put the body mist on, so we're not gonna put this one on today. As always, I'm running out the door like a maniac. We're gonna make it on time. All is gonna be fine. I have to show you guys my new car accessory. I got this on Etsy. How cute is this coastal cowgirl? We've got a little cowboy hat, seashell. We've got a whole thing going on here, but I'll leave the link for this cute little car charm down below. The real ones remember the rainbow that I used to have. I had this cute little macrame rainbow in my Nissan Rogue. That was many moons ago. Okay, we actually need to go. I need to close the lid and like get this thing on the road. Fall out of love with you, to fall in love with myself. You're gonna lie in it, and for what it's worth, I hope that you find everything you missed. Cause a while you held your pieces, I was piecing my life into shape. Being rejected was all the intended to show you your biggest mistake. I can't wait for you guys to hear Memory in a Bottle. I just got home from CPR training and I can confirm I got 100%, missed 0 questions on that exam. 3 hours of sitting there and doing the demos of chest compressions and giving hip thrusts was definitely worth it because your girl is certified. We are all good to go. Now we're in my garage and this is where I keep all of my Christmas decor. This is my Christmas tree in this big bag. I have some camping stuff and then all my Thanksgiving, fall, whatnot. So we're gonna see what we have. I do not remember what is in what. So we're gonna start with this one. So clearly this is camping stuff. It's gonna be a surprise. Okay, so this is definitely Christmas. Same with this. Okay, that's also Christmas. Oh, I cannot wait to decorate for this as well. At least some of these has to have some fall stuff. Definitely Christmas. Also Christmas. Oh my gosh, what in the world? Ah, perfect. All right, we have hit fall, you guys. What an exciting find. I don't think I have that much fall stuff now that I think about it. Let's go through what we have. Okay, wait, cute. This is definitely gonna be going somewhere in my kitchen. A pumpkin. Oh my gosh, I forgot how cute this one is. It's like crochet macrame sort of deal. I've had some of these. This one I've had since I lived in Texas. This is crazy, seeing all the decor again. I'm gonna lay everything out on this counter. See, we've got fun little pumpkins. Oh, that did not sound good. Hope that did not crack. Okay, these little gingham pumpkins. Are you kidding me? I forgot about these. Napkins for the season. Perfect. What else do we have? More things. Okay, we've got some wrapped items. I bet those are maybe pumpkins that are glass. This sign has been with me for the last like 5 or 6 years. Curious, what is in this paper? One singular white pumpkin. Oh my gosh! Okay, we vividly remember placing a pumpkin in here like this. Cute. Mom, if you're watching this, are you proud of me? I wrapped and took care of all my decorations. Cute little ceramic pumpkin. I love the gloss on this. I don't even know. Hobby Lobby, that's where I got it from. Same thing. How adorbs. Moving on to the next box. Ooh, hello, hello. Oh, this is precious. We've got a fall wreath. I think I had this hanging on my door, but I don't know where that like hanging thing is. So we're gonna have to find that. Ooh, like a fun little garland. Oh, we can totally put this on the fireplace or that little shelving over there. Maybe even on the staircase if we're feeling crazy. Love this centerpiece. Oh my gosh, I forgot that I had this. Probably gonna be saying that throughout this whole video. I forgot that I had a lot of these things. It's been a minute. And then another white pumpkin because you can never have too many pumpkins. That's all that I have in those 2 boxes. I know that I have stuff in my closets downstairs, like pillows, blankets, whatnot. So we're gonna get those as well. But first, with everything that's out, let's start decorating this house. Oh, I'm so happy. I love fall so much. You guys, I'm actually weak. So I took Mata downstairs to go potty and I was like, you know what? I might as well just grab the fall pillows and the fall blankets. Hold on, I'm out of breath because walking up those stairs was a hike. Yikes, is this a sign that I'm out of shape? 3 flights of stairs should not have me this winded. Anyways, bought this pillow in 2022 when I was on my building my collection, whatnot. And I had it in my vlogs for a while. And then I posted something on Instagram and somebody was like, honey, that does not say thankful. And I was like, what do you mean? Yeah, it does. It literally says thankful, which explains why it was at, I think it was at Ross where I bought it from. No hate to Ross or anything. I do love shopping at Ross. But I literally bought this pillow from Ross and it should have added up why it was like, it should have registered in this brain of mine why it was so inexpensive. Yeah, probably because it doesn't even say thankful. It says thankful. So slay, mama slay. We're gonna keep this on my couch just because I think it's actually hilarious. I'm gonna put this blanket on the couch and then this one in my room. Hello. Hi, I know you think this is so comfortable. I know. First, get the mood going. We're lighting a candle. It smells really good, but it's not fall, but it'll do for now. Terrifying. Almost saw my life flash before my eyes. Oh, how cute! I love it. It looks perfect. Last but not least, this box needs to go somewhere. I feel like this makes the most sense. I'm not sure what to put in it though. Like maybe I could hang, no, we're putting oatmeal right here. Nice and sound next to the pumpkin. As for the napkins, I think I'm just gonna leave them in my pantry because I don't really need to display them yet. It is time to be studious. I just finished journaling for the night. I forget how much I love journaling. I'm trying to be better about it though, because it took me 4 years to fill up my last journal. We don't need to go more in depth, but I actually want to finish this journal at least by summer of 2025. I think we can do it. Now I'm doing some editing. I have my new MacBook, which if you've been keeping up with my past videos, I unboxed it, got it all set up, and I absolutely love it. One of the biggest things that has saved so many crying, stressful nights is using my MacBook solely for work, in the sense of like editing on Final Cut Pro, whatnot. And then my Microsoft laptop, I only use it for school. Like that is the only thing that I bring to class. And I do some work on Adobe and other apps like that for work. We're gonna be productive and get some work done. I didn't film this, but I made this nice little tofu dinner dish with broccoli, some lentils. Then I went to Goodwill, dropped off some things there, came back home, did my skincare, put on my blue light glasses, and we're just gonna have a really chill night. I am on that time of the month, and so I think not trying to force myself to go to the gym today or do anything crazy has been the move. I end up being more productive when I actually listen to what my body needs and just kind of taking a chill night. So let's get some editing done. Oh my gosh, my boyfriend's coming.
Hello?
Hi.
What are you doing? It was so good, honey. It was a big time trip.
I decorated for fall.
I told you it was a little early.
Listen, I know, but
well, I'm glad you can get joy out of that.
I just had to. Like, it was calling my name.
It was calling you.
Yes.
Good to know.
Called me this morning and said, hey, get to it.
Said, hey, actually, this is really awkward, but you have to decorate now.
Yeah, I know. So I did, and then I did my CPR training for 3 hours. I got a 100.
Atta girl. Proud of you.